Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this guided breathing meditation practice. This practice will help you find a sense of inner stillness and calm in the present moment. So please come into a comfortable seat, or if you'd prefer to lie down, feel free to lie down and make yourself really cozy for this practice today. You can bring your eyes to close or just soften your gaze. And allow your whole self to begin to settle here in the moment. Today's practice will be focusing on a simple yet powerful breathing technique called one-to-one breathing. This practice helps us anchor into the present moment and will begin to promote a sense of calmness inside of you. To start, just bring your awareness to your breath and begin to notice how it's naturally flowing in and naturally flowing out. Let your body soften as you observe your breath. And invite in a little bit more spaciousness here, so you can breathe in a little bit slower and breathe out a little bit slower. And then begin to sense how, as you breathe in, your body opens and expands to receive that breath. And as you breathe out, you can let go of stress and tension, creating more spaciousness inside of you. Maybe even noticing how your belly is beginning to expand and open with your in-breath, and soften with your out-breath. Now, to engage the one-to-one breathing technique, we're going to add a count to each phase of the breath. And for this practice, we're going to keep it really simple with a relaxed count of 3 on your inhalation and a relaxed count of 3 on your exhalation. If you need to adjust your breath to make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, feel free to do so. But we'll do a few rounds together to start. So let's breathe out all the air from the lungs, and then slowly inhale for 3, 2, 1, and slowly exhale for 3, 2, 1, and repeating that, breathing in for 3, 2, 1, and breathing out for 3, 2, 1. Breathing in for 3, breathing out for 3. Breathing in for 3, Breathing out for 3. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Continue just like that for a few more rounds, inviting a sense of inner calm to emerge. Beautiful work. You can let go of counting your breaths now and take a few final breaths at your own pace. Again, feeling a sense of spaciousness inside of you as you inhale, letting your body expand. Feeling ease, feeling relaxation as you breathe out, letting go of any last little bit of stress or tension. And notice how you feel. Do you feel a little bit more peaceful than when you started this practice today? Let's take one final breath in together here, inhaling through your nose. Sigh out through an open mouth. Give your fingers and toes a little wiggle. And when you're ready, you can let your eyes begin to blink open. And remember that this simple breath is always available to help you find stillness amidst the busyness of your life. Thanks for joining us here, and have a beautiful rest of your day.